Hello, my name is Ashley Sanchez, and I am going to be going over the use of WebEx. WebEx is a online tool to be able to host personal chat rooms or meetings to be able to get to other people online, and it has split screen where you can connect with one another, and it is commonly used in classrooms for people who may not be able to attend physically. There are many different options that are on here, such as the share screen, which is right here, where it allows you to share your screen with all the people that are in the personal room, which will also be listed right here. There is also another feature for chat, where each individual can even message people while a meeting is happening by a different host, and this creates a better conversation and collaboration between students or people involved. There's also another section for notes that you can add your own personal notes to memorize or write down any important things that happened during the meeting. This is a commonly used thing by teachers, and it's a great way to still be able to connect with the students and create that connection, so they know no matter what, even if they couldn't go to class, they can still get onto WebEx and still participate and be in class. Part of the 4 C's that go with this, first is the communication part of it. It's a way to attend the class even if you can't physically go, and you can still be able to hear the lecture. The only thing that's bad about this is sometimes the system may be down, and some people just want better collaboration between each other, in a physical sense. And so it's a great alternative, but there are some people that do want that physical, more connection, or visually looking in the same exact room. There's also, it's a great collaboration tool to still be able to go to class. And the share screen also allows each person to be able to host, and if multiple people have different presentations, they are able to share their screen with everybody. But again, this also creates, physical distance, and it can be harder to communicate what you really want to say through the use of online and webcams and all this other things that go along with hosting something online. Now, there's also, it's very creative, and the critical thinking. You're able to see kind of how others think, and the collaboration. The share screen tool is one of the best parts of using WebEx, is because, the collaboration is really there. There's many different options that you can adjust your the audio, or who's in it, and when the personal room will be open. You can have a set time, and there's also many ways to invite other people to the meeting and have the class on there. WebEx is a great meeting center just to collaborate, and it's a great way for students to connect. And I think it is a very valuable tool that could be used in any classroom setting. even if teachers might want to communicate with parents or other faculty members, but the use of WebEx is a great online tool to use. Each room has a lock room where it can lock it down, and once you want the meeting to start, you just press record and all the people can connect to it if they have the meeting number, which is also located right here, or you can create a special setting for your class students to be able to access it wherever they are. And the great thing about WebEx, it can also be used on the phone or computer, so it's a virtual meeting area for no matter where you are, if you're on the go but you need to attend class. Now, of course, the usage of online places such as this, there's always some downfalls because, things might not connect correctly. The audio may be off, the video may be off, the meeting number can be different, and some people are not able to connect. But with all those aside, the use of the Cisco WebEx Meeting Center is a great tool that can be used to really collaborate and connect with each other whenever it is needed, and allows all the students and teachers to still connect even if they are not able to physically go to a classroom.